And it is true. Even though you go to around Kampala and they say they see security guard, they just say, oh, mulimu bwaba lugwara, bwaba Teso. They know that your work is to carry guns to keep people's businesses. Boys and girls of Teso, if you see the percentage of Teso, most of them, they are in security guards, they are in army, they are in police, they are in prisons, carrying a gun. And those ones who go to military, when they die in military, even the government doesn't compensate them. The only thing the government will give them is a dead body and a casket. A son of my aunt died in military. But the only thing we received from the government is his dead body, full of blood and dust, with the combat of army. They did not even give us like someone who has died, like let us give this family money for burial. Nothing. The only thing which we received as a family, it was a combat of army which they used to bury him, to respect him as a soldier, and his dead body plus a casket. But that man left 2 children which need support. You understand? But no one talks about that in the parliament. But we have a speaker. Most of the boys from Teso, they are in those military army. Even though they die, that's where the things end. But we have big politicians who could raise that issue in the parliament, that what about those people who die in the military? How can we help their children, the orphans and the widows which they have remained behind? If the government was even running a good system, those people who die in the military, their children would be even studying in good schools. They would be getting good schools, good education, good medications. Even their women, they would be getting salary, at least compensation support from their husband, because their husbands died fighting for the government. But in military, who are army soldiers who are dead, their children are suffering. They are suffering. Government doesn't care about that. So why can't a speaker speak about it in even parliament? Why can't a speaker talk about it? We need change. And even people of Teso, they don't know that Museveni is setting us against Ugandans. If you see the percentage of people from Teso who are carrying guns, if I'm not mistaken, they are 75%. Today, people who are beating people in the streets, who are mistreating KYAGULANYI, who are abducting people, they are those ones who carry guns. Even though Uganda decide that these people who are beating us, abducting us, let us also go and attack their families, which means it will be Teso in pain again because of the government. The government is setting the boys of Teso against Uganda. Tomorrow when the government changes, they will say that, oh, when those people who were carrying guns were abducting, but if, like about to set people in the court of law, the boys of Teso will go stand in that law. Museveni is setting those police people, those army, against Uganda. But all we don't know. That's why I send my message to those boys in army who are carrying guns from Teso. Don't follow all of the instructions. After that uniform, there is another life. After Museveni, there is another Uganda. So don't put your life in a risk right now because you're carrying a gun. Be with a limit. Be with that heart. Think it twice. You will find that the boys of Teso who are carrying guns, they are commanders. Those boys, they are even more educated than their commanders. but they don't even get promotions. You understand? They don't even get promotions. They have worked, you will find a policeman who has worked for years, but he has no promotion. But you will find other people who are not even educated, they have promotions, and they are the ones who are commanders. Brain. Teso, wake up. Stop sleeping. Wake up. The future will tell. I've said my own. I've said my own.